When I was in Germany the last couple weeks, one of my good friends, Rudy, Everts, gave me this box and said, happy birthday. And you know that I love an unboxing video as much as I love a colonoscopy. So we're gonna do one here. So first we pull out the pegs. And by the way, these are all spells from the American peasant. All good spells, I think, I hope, we'll find out. Ta-da! So there's some foam in here. And then you take the foam out and out comes this. So this is not carved from one piece, which is how Rudy usually works. This is a stick chair from the Stick Chair Journal #1, the chair that was on the cover. And Rudy built this scale model using traditional joints. He saddled the seat. He made the little mitered arm bow. He even made little nails here that nail the shoe onto the arm. It's just an amazing piece of work. He even left the sight lines on the underside. And we are just delighted as heck to put it with our other miniature chair, which is a little bigger than this one. But here is the cool thing that is in addition to the wonderful unboxing video, is that what Rudy did to make this chair is he simply took the plans from the Stick Chair Journal, photocopied them, and these are the patterns. So that's the pattern for the seat, full size. So we now have full-size patterns in Stick Chair Journal #1. Here are all the legs and the sticks. And he showed me the patterns, and they were just really delightful. So, next time you come and visit Lost Art Press, be sure to ask to see the miniature chair collection and just know that you're not allowed to sit in this one.